Hi guys!
Okay, today we are making Crunchwraps. I'm gonna get to the point a little bit quicker because maybe that's why my last video didn't do that well. I don't know. We are still figuring things out.
I don't know what else you can say.
That was cute. Okay, so we're gonna get our meat, put it in the pan. We bag our meat up just because we split it up from the bigger packs. Okay, and then I'm gonna put my rice in. I already got my 2 cups of water in there. Then I'm just gonna pour the rice in. So weird using these.
Wow.
I don't know, they're like curved. It's different. But it feels like I'm using it on the wrong thing. Maybe I am, I don't know. So we're gonna start with seasoned salt. If you watched my last video, then you saw how I seasoned everything in that video because it's the same kind of food. We did steak tacos in the last video, so it's pretty much similar to what I used there. I will also record the seasonings in this video too, and then we're gonna go in with garlic, paprika, I want to come out. And then cumin, chili powder, is this Toy Story 4 or 5?
Huh?
Is that Toy Story 4?
Yeah.
Oh wait, 5 isn't out yet.
No. It's supposed to be this year, though, I think.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, that was onion powder, sorry. This is I talked about it in my last video. You're just gonna put that all over as well. I'm about to mix it, I promise. Okay, and then we're gonna mix all that. Say this, but I season it again just for good measure. I like for my food to taste that way. If you don't, you can skip the second seasoning. But I like to just because that's just how I do it. Add butter to my rice. Oh my gosh, it just splashed. Just chopping it up and like mixing it together. Stirring it around. It's kind of hard to use this new spoon just because I haven't used it before. It's kind of curved. And I'm used to my other one, which is straight. And I can just poke into the meat and I don't have to, you know, do it too hard. But honestly, our meat is already looking done. So that's what it looks like. I have a spoon holder, so I always use paper towel. So now I'm gonna make grilled cheese for my kids. They requested that, so that's what we're gonna make for them. Meat, you can honestly do the paper towel trick to get all the oil out of there, or you can just drain it. I'm just gonna do the paper towel trick tonight. Like watching that movie.
Hey, you know how I'm is.
Oh my god. Look at that toast on that side. It's perfectly golden. I've done this before, but I'm adding more butter to the pan to see if that helps melt the cheese a little bit more and to give it that brown look on the other side as well. Yes, it did. It worked. That looks so good. So this is my daughter's plate. Look at the little yogurt sprinkles. They're hearts. They're gonna be so excited about those. Okay, so this is how I put my Crunchwraps together. You're gonna put your meat. Hey, baby. Okay. No, don't look at the sprinkles. You're not supposed to know.
I see.
Dude, kaboom.
Okay, so you put your meat on there like that.
I know.
Make sure it's kind of tight together. This is how my man makes my son's grilled cheese. He's all fancy. He put butter on the other side. Okay, so you're gonna put lettuce like that, as much as you want. I don't know. I'm gonna just do like that much. It's a big one. Big daddy. Add cheese. You can warm it up. I forgot to, so I'm just gonna put it on there. And this is Rico's cheese. I love it. And kind of spread it out evenly. It doesn't have to be perfect though. You're gonna add your tomato. I don't really eat a lot of tomato on mine, but I do like tomato. I like the taste of it. So I'm gonna add that on there too. My man cut this up for me. He knows how much I eat. Then you're gonna add your tostada to the top of it. What'd you say?
Mommy, I got a marshmallow.
You got a marshmallow?
Mama dropped it, then Bobby eat it.
Yeah.
It's yucky.
That is pretty yucky.
I can see that.
And that's how I fold them. It's not perfect every single time, but this is what it looks like when you fold it. And this is my son's matching plate. Okay, go sit at the table. No, over here.
Hey, now we can sit.
You want to sit here?
Now we can all sit here.
Yes. Sister, do you want to sit by Bubba right there?
And y'all can sit right there. And you can sit right there.
Here, sit right here by Bubba. What is that stuck on? Right there.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Oh wait, let me get y'all spoons. Yeah, you did. It's okay.
Nom, nom. What is that? This? Oh, yeah, Mommy. Oh, who dropped that? I'm totally gonna smoke you. Smoke you on my jail. I'm gonna get 20 and 20, and then I'm gonna just go. What do we go? This way. And y'all can see. You can see. So just throw one of my knife, and I throw one of my knife. Yeah, he's just wrong. So y'all should go over there and take a gun for it. Please, that's favorite. This one.